Hi guys, so today I want to look at another product which I have received. It's the ViLi 100 from CHCNAV, and let's see if we can open it up. So if you look, the box is quite big, so I'm gonna just put it on the ground here and let it open here for you guys. Massive box. We got very nicely packaged. It is a massive box, as you can see. Handle with care. Very nice box. And just see if we can open it up here. And there we go, right? So you can see what's in the box. We have the tablet. We have two charging bricks, and they come with the USB and USB-C. Two, a little piece of garbage. Then obviously we have the mount for the tablet, for the CHCNAV Pogo, which has a built-in little quick card. Here, those are for the chargers, and we have a nice braided U-green cables, USB-C to USB-C, and also we have the tablet for pen for a tablet, and a little SIM card opener. I'm just going to throw these guys over here for now. 400 megahertz antenna, but the biggest thing which we want to see is the ViLi actual. Here, 2 seconds. So you can see, guys, look at this beauty here. It's substantially bigger than everything else, but if you think what is it packing inside, so at the bottom we have the classic charging port and the radio port, the screw, and if you look at it, there is a bottom facing camera. Then you have two cameras on the sides, and obviously the Lidar sensor and the GNSS sensor. So as I usually do, I usually like to weigh this. I've got the scale here for us. All right, so let's put the 0 and let's put this guy up here. So it's 1.4 kilos, so quite heavy, but like I said, if you think what this thing is packing in, it's quite very interesting. So let's take a look here. Okay, so quite excited about this one. This, I believe, is a must-have for any dirt moving company for a quick scan of piles or trenches for a quick volumes. Yeah, can't wait to take it out into the field and get it kind of tested out there.